It's shaky because it's attached to my desk. Oh, yeah. So all these G keys along the side, you can make them use like a Stream Deck. It integrates with the Stream Deck software, so you can, which is kind of smart. And I'm surprised they didn't do it earlier. Ooh! So these are the MX Speed keys I've got on this. Very exciting. Let's move the microphone down there. I haven't had a chance to play with this, obviously. As you can see, it's brand spanking. Brand spanking new. All right. Get the choking hazard away. Come on. Come on. Seriously. It's supposed to be not for children. I can't get it out. No, these are the MX Speeds, which are like the Reds, but faster activation. To be honest, I've had Reds and I've had this Speeds. So this current keyboard I'm using there, that's got the Speeds, and my old K95 had the Reds. It's nice. And the keycaps are textured. Instead of these are sort of polished, but these ones are textured. Yeah, these are nice. It looks similar. It looks near identical to the older one. I'm just comparing. It looks very simple. It feels different. It's got a nice polished, they got a bit of slight texture on these. So there's no click in them. It's only when you bottom out that there's a click. See, if I don't bottom out, no click. If I bottom out. Very nice. All right. Now, what else we got? What else we got? It comes with this, which is, ooh, schmexy. Oh, I like that. Yes. So we got the S keys. What's the S key for? S key? The G key's there, and this one's calling him S key. Why are we calling him S key? RTFM. What does S stand for? Special. You don't. You just get used to it. It's like a normal keyboard. There's no. I don't like the clicks. I mean, it depends what you want. The Reds, the Speeds, they don't have a physical click. The browns and blues have a physical click. What's the S stand for? That's configurato. Doesn't say. N. Hold on. N. That's in Spanish. Alternate macro S key keycaps. Okay. I like the blue, so I'm going to change them. Oh, and we got, oh, that's cool. And you got a Corsair button. You can make that instead of your Windows button or something, I guess, or escape or something. Make it Corsair. Why not? Where do they put it? Do they put it? M. M is Corsair logo escape key. That's cool. How do you have a click that's... Yeah, Reds. I mean, the Speeds are like the Reds. I've had the Reds and I've had the Speeds and they feel very, very similar. The Speeds trigger a little bit quicker than the Reds. That's why they're called Speeds. But they're the same sort of feel. I'm going to change these keys. Vacuum sealed for the win. There we go. Woohoo! These just look cooler because they're glowy blue. And S3. Look at that. Now we're looking. Look at that. Sharp as. Hey? I like that. I'm not going to lie. Listen, blue is cool, man. Leave it alone. Don't knock the blue. Yeah, it's actual physical click that you can feel. I personally don't like the tactile feel because, plus it gets loud. The ones that you can, like the browns you can hear. And, oh, by the way, here is the tool. I just use my hands. I'm looking around if I got scissors. They made sure I couldn't get in here. There we go. All right. So we've got a little tool. So WASD. WASD. Lovely. Put that there. And escape while we're at it. Lovely. So these are more angled and textured. These keycaps. They got angled. For gaming, WASD. WASD. S. And A. Beautiful. And where's our escape key? Hold on. Damn it. So when you're just playing around, especially, you can just feel where the thing is, because it just gives you, it's out. The A is angled out, and the D is angled that way. The W is up, and the S is flat. So it just gives you a nice feel. Yeah, it also has it's got F, D, E, R, and W, and Q. So it's got all the surroundings, which is kind of cool. I might play with those. I don't know, it's just so you can see, they're not angled, are they? Yeah, they are, they're angled. I don't know. So you can go, reload, bang. Bang. MOBA games? Yeah. You could just do like, R. Yeah, it's the keys you can use. I might do R, we're gonna dick around with it, let's have a look. All right. I think I'll just go with R, and I'll test it. Let's test it. R. Where's my tool?
But seriously, Skip.
Seriously? Space, how are you, buddy?
Listen, what are you talking about?
Subs.
Ladies and gentlemen, 24 months in a year, can't get rid of my sweet lemony ass. Also, Jim, get a beard trim.
I did get a beard trim, bro. I got a beard trim on Saturday. Thank you very much. That's not bad. Thank you, Space. Appreciate you. What else we got? E. I don't think I want to... That way I can feel E straight away. It's right there. R, sorry, because it's textured. I think maybe just like that. Yeah. It's coming. It's coming. Soon. Soon, buddy. Soon. Q, F, no, W. What? There's a spare W. Why would I have a spare W? Cool. I got a spare W. I got an E. I got an F. And I got D. I got a spare D and I got an E. Sorry. I got a spare D and a W. For reasons. But they're the same, right? Yeah, they're the same. Spare. Beep. Well, when you were at the first one, that's true. On this one, I've worn out my S, but I don't have a spare S. Because I'm always going backwards and running, screaming for my life. Oh! All right. So far, so good. What else we got? I think that's all we got. So we can flip this on its head. Look at that. Looking sexy. Looking sexy. Oh, yeah. I can feel this already. Check this out. Check it. Oh, yeah, boy. Okay. This is where it's different. So, on this one, it's got a rubber mat pad thing. Here, it's leather. Is it leather or pleather? It's softer. It's got a nice cushion. One set is MOBA set. Ah, okay. Fair enough. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, that feels nice. That is luxury. That is beautiful, actually. That's a really nice touch. I don't know if that's real leather, though. Whoops. So you got 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover, USB 2 pass-through, 8 megabytes onboard storage for 5 profiles, 32-bit ARM Cortex processor, yada yada. Maybe it's underneath. Jeez. Oops. What's it say here? Cherry MX speed, key switches, yada yada. No, it doesn't say. We'll have to look it up. So the key thing that this one has is the Elgato Stream Deck integration. So you can Stream Deck it off here, which is really cool. I like the feel. I like the feel. Print screen, scroll lock. They've just got PCS, SLK, and brake instead of the full text like the old one did. On this one, I'm just comparing the two. The old K95 and the current K95. So on this one, the insert key says insert home, page up, page down. Here it just says INS, HME, PGU, PGD, etc. So they're all 3-letter acronyms here. Also here, same thing here, home, PGU, all of that is abbreviated. Interestingly, the buttons, here you've got the number 1 and then the exclamation point underneath it. Here it's side by side. You can see. I'll light these up in a second. What else is different? It definitely feels, the keycaps are totally different. Yeah, right here, it's all good. The caps are totally different. They're more matte, and they got a little bit of a texture. I quite like these. Same buttons along the side. What else we got? Does that feel a little bit smaller, or am I just visually seeing that? What do you reckon? I think these might be a little bit smaller, or a little bit closer together, rather. Yeah, they're definitely closer together, I think. I feel that these are all closer together than that. This one feels different and it sounds different. It's really hard to do, but this one's more tinny as it bottoms out. They're the same switches though, MX speeds. This one's a little bit tinny, and this one has a little bit more oomph. See you later, Prince. Have a good one, mate. Yeah, this one's got a little bit more oomph. And these ones, a little bit tinnier, if that makes sense. What else we got? That's it. I really like this though. This feels really nice to rest on. Really, really nice. All right, that's enough talking crap. Let's plug it in. True? I say we have to plug it in. Oh yeah, hold on. We got USBs. Oh, they've got because this is their flagship, right? This is their flagship keyboard. So we got nice USB plugs, and it actually tells you which one is the pass-through and which one is the keyboard. Yeah, this one's the keyboard. It's got a little keyboard icon. I don't know if you can see it. And then this one is the pass-through. Very good. They're not raised more. No, they're raised about the same. They're raised about the same. They feel a little bit chunkier. Yeah, and this one just says pass-through. Just little arrows. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. See the little arrows? And then this one's got a little keyboard. So you know which one's a pass-through. If you don't want to use pass-through, you don't have to plug it in. And get rid of all that. Okay, let's plug it in and see. So, move the microphone over here. It's got a really long cable. What's that, about 2 meters? Yeah, that's a good cable length. About 2 meters. All right, give me a second. Ooh, mama. Yeah, that looks sharp. Yep. Look at that. It's alive. Oops, just hit backspace. Testing, testing. Look at it. Yes, I like it, friends. I like it. Can dim the keys down. I mean, it's pretty damn bright. Like at full brightness. Do my profiles automatically come over? Hold on. Oh, maybe not. I maybe have to check out the ICU software. Hold on. Let's have a quick look. ICUE. Do you have the light across the top on the... Yeah, I do. Yeah. Yeah. I think this one is a lot brighter, if I'm being honest. And it goes around. Does that one go around? Yeah, that one goes around as well. This one feels brighter. Definitely feels brighter than the older one. When I say older one, that's a year old. Where's my software? IQ. Bear with me. Oh, let me get rid of, clean up a bit so we can have... Let me try and not pull any other plugs out as I bring this up. There we go. Okay. Let's have a squeeze. Lovely. Settings. Check for update. Oh, yeah. I thought so. It's got to download the update because it doesn't know this model yet. It's brand new. This came out today. I think it was announced at CES. They announced a whole bunch of products at CES. Yeah, all the K90, it's their flagship, right? The K95 is always up top. It's always about that price. But it's flagship, yo. What do you expect? Whoa, what was that? Okay, it was just tripping out. Here we go. All right, now it's detected it. There you go. That. All the profiles automatically come across from my old keyboard. Lovely. Very cool. Here's one that should cycle. Yeah, it's nice. I like that. With the blue, that really makes it pop. You got the default one. Here's my rain one. Yeah, I like it, yo. I really like it. Let's have a look. What else? What else? I think it's good. This is my World of Warcraft one. When I'd cast my abilities, number 1 was my Shadow Bolt, so I'd go purple. Number 2 was, I don't know, Corruption, I think. 3 was Immolate. No, that was Curse of Agony. 3 was Curse of Agony. 4 was something else. Yeah. Yeah, and that directly interfaces with Windows, so it just does your Windows stuff. You can mute in one hit, your normal media keys. You can change your profile with that. I was using the mouse. You got your brightness, turn it off, low brightness, medium brightness, full brightness. It is pretty special. I like it. Now I have to install Stream Deck to then map these to some Stream Deck keys, but I won't do that just yet. But I really like the feel, and I love this pad. It's cushioned as opposed to the other one was just hard rubber. So this one's cushioned, and it feels very schmexy, especially for, you know, the old elbow. Yeah, it's a good one. Surprised that hadn't, to be honest, I'm surprised that hadn't come in a long time ago because, you know, there's all these aftermarket gel pads along here and all that crap. Now we've got one inbuilt. Excellent. I like it, friends. There you go. We'll play with this now, and I'll give you my review after playing some FPSs and stuff and see what we think. But for now, there you go. K95 RGB Platinum XT. Cop that. Thank you very much, Corsair.